Greetings! We all know that creating schedules for employees can be a challenge. In a short space of time, you may have to change workday staff, organize shift changes, manage time off requests, and more. And an employee management system makes it easy to schedule shifts and keep track of work hours. So in this video, I'll show you how to create and edit a timesheet using the Cherry TEAM business management system. After logging in at cherryteam.com, I make sure I am in my business account. After that, we go to Projects. As you can see, I have created a work hour project for the month of March. I click More and then Update. In the window that opens, I click on Project Schedule. First, I will set the number of planned hours by selecting a period in the calendar. After selecting a period, I can add how many employees will work in the month of March. I add 10 employees and click on the button to the left to select them. I could do this by adding them one by one from the All list. But in this case, I've already tagged 10 employees with the name Claypada Branch. When I click on this label, I can see that 10 employees have been added to the project. Now I need to fill in the scheduled hours for these employees. After selecting the employee, I click on the Fill Hours checkbox, and then on the Fill All Hours button. The calendar shows that the hours are filled when the previously selected period turns blue. I do this with all 10 employees. And after I'm done, click Save. Now, I'll show you how to fill the timesheet. I click on the project name to go inside the project. In the selection bar, I click on Schedule, and then on the icon to view the month of March in full screen. As you can see, we have all the added employees and their working days for the month of March. Now, I want to create the manager's schedule for this month. I click on her workday to change the schedule, and inside the window, I click on Show More. From here, by clicking on work hours, I set that the manager will work 5 days and have 2 days off. I'll leave that she'll work from 8 to 5 for the whole month and click Save. All the manager's work days have appeared on the schedule. But let's say I want to adjust only one day. I click again on the work day, and in the window that opens, I click on Sickness, since she was sick on this day. And I click on Save. As we can see, the work day is marked as sickness. Then, I will do the same with the next workday, but I will set it to Parents' Day for the full work hours and save it. Now, I want to give the manager 3 days leave. I click on the workday, tick Vacation, and then click on the right arrow at the top to go to the next day. I repeat this by ticking Vacation again, clicking on the arrow, and ticking Vacation again. I click Save, and we can see the 3 added vacation days. I will now create day shifts for the 4 employees, repeating the process of creating a schedule. For the first 2 employees, they will work 2 days and have 2 days off. For the other 2, after selecting their work hours, I will move their periods forward by clicking the arrow on the right. And so, I have created a simple day shift schedule. Now, I can adjust the workdays as I want. For one employee, I'll delete 2 workdays. And set the other 2 employees to go on the first employee's shifts. And of course, I'll add the shifts that the first employee missed. Now, I will create night shifts for the other 5 employees. As with the day shifts, they will work 2 days and have 2 days off. At the same time, I will change the shift hours for each of them. Upwards, where the working hours are visible, I will set that the employees will work all the days marked in blue from 5 to 12. Now that the night shifts are created, I'll also set that one of the employees has been absent for no reason. and we'll have to make up the missed shift. And that's the work schedule for March. This schedule can be generated into a timesheet for sharing and printing in PDF and Excel formats. Click on the PDF icon at the top right-hand side or the Excel icon. And that's how to create and edit a timesheet. I hope this video tutorial will help you when using the Cherry Team system in the future. We look forward to your comments. Thank you for watching.